Center here. Did you watch the movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan? Did you see?
Yes, I think she got the question.
No. I was trying to look for you. I have to see who I'm talking to. No, I didn't see it yet, but I'm definitely going to see it between today and tomorrow. Saif is saying I'm the only person in the country who has not seen it yet. But I saw lots of bits and portions during the making of it. Kabir would show me every now and then some song he'd shot or something, and then he'd show me the little girl in the movie and say that she looks like you. So I saw lots of bits and pieces along the way, but the whole movie I'll see probably tomorrow.
Kabir, एक question है आपके.
Just one second. This gentleman right here on the left, second row.
You and Seth, since the movie is based on a novel, did you have to go through the book before getting into the characters, or?
No, actually, I told them not to because I just feel that there are certain differences between the screenplay and the book, and also I didn't want them to get in some sense form a different opinion by reading the book, and I wanted them to do certain things in the film, which if they'd already read the book, then might have led to some confusion. So actually, no, we haven't.
कबीर सर, आपकी हर मूवी इंडिया पाकिस्तान या इसी आतंकवाद को लेकर हमेशा इस तरह की मूवीज आप अवेयर करते हैं, लेकिन क्या आप इस कंफर्ट जोन से कभी बाहर निकल के रोमांटिक मूवी या किसी मूवी को बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं?
हाँ, अगर कोई स्टोरी एक्साइटिंग लगी तो ज़रूर करूँगा, लेकिन हमेशा मेरी फिल्म में एक बैकड्रॉप रियल रहेगा. वो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान रहे या न्यूयॉर्क की तरह टेररिज्म रहे. वो हो सकता है कुछ और भी हो सकता है. अगर हमारी जो दुनिया है थोड़ी और खूबसूरत हो जाए तो आई थिंक थोड़े और जेंटल बैकड्रॉप्स भी आ जाएंगे. लेकिन हाँ, हमेशा कोशिश ये रहेगी कि एक रियल कॉन्टेक्स्ट रहे, सोशल या पॉलिटिकल.
Sir, but are you a very violent man in real life?
No,
The only time I've seen Kabir get violent was in road rage. When the driver cut us, that's the only time. Otherwise,
So
he's
this
a very
is not a
peace-loving.
mask.
No,
This is
he's
not
a
a
very peace-loving person. His expression is like this all the time. I've worked with him now in 3 films. It's always like that, except once. I saw him change his expression once. That's a secret story.
This gentleman right next to you also is the wittiest, funniest, and he take your pants off without you knowing it.
I hope not.
With jokes. With his wit. Let's put it this way.
Okay.
So, yeah, and he's done those brilliant kind of films. So when you chat with him, and when you work with him, what's Saif Ali Khan really like? Is he like that all the time?
He's very, like you described him, he's a perfect gentleman. He's very smart. He's got lots of information. He actually also is a very good listener, which is also why I think we got along. I found another person to listen. And he has very interesting information on things outside of just the film industry and just our film. So he's a great person to talk to, and he's very interested in his work. So a lot of times, actually, we were just discussing what we saw the film about and what our take on the film.
And how is she on the set? How does she discuss a lot of things? Does she want to know about what's happening in the gossip world? Or films, books?
No, I saw her taking photographs of Beirut on her iPhone and showing, doing all kinds of creative things in between shots with Photoshop and things like this. I've known Katrina for a while, and I've watched her from being, a relatively new actor in Race to becoming one of the biggest stars in the country and working really hard and being an amazing personality on screen. So it's always nice to spend time with her. I think a lot of actors I've worked with, are a little concerned about the film that they're doing, and they're a little worried about that. And that's, I suppose, normal. But she's a relaxed girl and someone who I've really enjoyed talking to and spending time with and working with. And I think we had an easy equation.
Saif, apart from
Saif?
Katrina, Katrina.
Saif, एक question आपसे है.
Straight down, the lady right there, behind the photographer.
Yeah. You had been on the sets of Bajrangi Bhaijaan during the shoot of Aaj Ki Party. So was there any specific reason behind it?
Yes, Kabir will explain to you the reason.
कबीर सर आपके सामने।
One second, she has.
सैफ
This question has to be answered.
She would like to know why I was on the sets of Aaj Ki
She
Party.
should come to meet me. We had to discuss, in fact, things about Phantom. So since I was shooting there and I was busy there, we met in Yash Raj and was speaking about Phantom.
सैफ पीछे। सैफ आपसे एक क्वेश्चन है। आपकी एजेंट विनोद को पाकिस्तान में बैन कर दिया गया था, एक बार फिर आप एंटी पाकिस्तान बात कर रहे हैं। आपके बहुत सारे रिलेटिव पाकिस्तान में हैं, तो उनका क्या रिएक्शन है?
क्वेश्चन में मैं समझ रहा था क्यों बोला आपने एंटी पाकिस्तान?
आप पाकिस्तान एंटी इन द सेंस कि आप टेररिज्म की बात कर रहे हैं।
तो आप समझती हैं टेररिज्म रिप्रेजेंट्स पाकिस्तान?
नो पाकिस्तान की हमने बात की है कि इसमें जितने भी टेररिस्ट दिखा है वो पाकिस्तानी, चाहे हाफिज सईद को हम टेररिस्ट नहीं काउंट करते।
मैं आपसे वही सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ, तो आपके जहन में टेररिस्ट इज इक्वल टू पाकिस्तान या पाकिस्तान में और भी बाशिंदे रहते हैं?
नहीं, मेरा कहने का मतलब है आपकी फ्लिप, मैं इधर बैक साइड इसमें पाकिस्तान की ही बात हुई है। तो सैफ हमेशा पाकिस्तान पे फिल्में कर रहे हैं, तो इनके रिलेटिव्स का क्या रिएक्शन होता है, मैं ये जानना चाह रही हूँ।